Well, history was made this year at Elmhurst Hospital as the facility welcomed the first black president since it was founded in 1926.
Elmhurst Hospital is part of a network of hospitals serving 1.7 million people. And joining us right now live via Zoom is the new president, Dr. Kimberly Darey, an OBGYN. Welcome and congratulations to you on the new role. First of all, we have a whole lot of questions for you, but as we mentioned, it's the first time your hospital has had a black leader in almost a century. So tell us, how does it feel to break that barrier, and what kind of impact can diversity have in medicine? And have you seen that in the patients that you take care of?
Well, you know, one of the things that we know for sure is that people in the community like to be treated with people that look like them. And we have a very diverse community. So I am so excited. I've been a practitioner here for 13 years, and now I'll be able to really lead this hospital with a diverse mentality and a diverse mindset. We have diverse employees that take care of all of our patients. So I'm really excited about where we're going to go and how we're going to trend in the future.
So you took over at the start of the year. What are the biggest priorities right now? What are you hoping to accomplish first, at least?
Well, you know, medicine and healthcare is about relationships, taking care of patients, making them feel that all of their concerns are being met. We are so excited about, we are a plain tree hospital, which means we are patient-centered. So we want to continue that legacy of making sure patients and families know that they are part of the healing process. The other thing, too, is we have now merged with a much larger organization, North Shore Hospital, North Shore EEH, which is a 9-hospital system. So we have a lot of work to do to really expand the demographic that we have to a much larger patient base. So we're really excited about all the wonderful things we're going to do for the communities.
Yeah, several changes there. So, as you know, the healthcare industry was hit hard by the pandemic, with hospitals understaffed and workers overwhelmed. We talk about this a lot. Is that a concern for you and your organization, and do you have any plans to address it?
You know, we have wonderful employee support programs. We have crisis counselors, people that can help employees. We even have what we call lavender rooms, which are like relaxation rooms scattered around the different units in the hospital, just for our healthcare workers to be able to decompress. So it is something that we take extremely seriously. We even have group sessions when there are bad things that may happen in the hospital, so that people can recover and voice their feelings. So we have a lot of programs out there with wellness and well-being, and even for our physicians as well. We have a vitality group. So we're really doing everything we can to make sure that all of our employees feel supported and safe in our hospitals.
And Dr. Darey, as you serve as president of Elmhurst Hospital, is there something that you hope to improve or maybe build upon that could be better?
You know, all of our communities need more access. And so what we can do to increase the amount of access that patients can have and expand more mind, body, and wellness to our community partners are key. We have a community fund that we actually partner with community organizations so that we can expand some of those services out to those that may not know that much about our hospitals. So we are working very hard to improve access, health equity, and diversity.
Dr. Kimberly Darey, new president of Elmhurst Hospital. Congratulations again, and thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.